Welcome to today's comprehensive guide on configuring your HMI device. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of flashing firmware using PhoenixSuit and entering boot mode, a critical procedure for updating your HMI's software. To begin, we will utilize certain tools, so be prepared to have these ready if you still haven't. First, we will need a boot mode gadget, or RS-232, to USB PhoenixSuit program and USB Type-C to computer, ensure your HMI is powered off and connected to your computer via USB. PhoenixSuit is a firmware tool that will flash image to HMI. This tool is mainly used to load image, will guide you through selecting the correct firmware image for your specific HMI model. We usually utilize this device to put the screen into a boot mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the update. Open the PhoenixSuit software and go to Firmware and select the corresponding file. After selecting, we should add in the boot device to the HMI COM3. Power off the HMI before inserting the boot ME tool. Afterward, power on the HMI if the indicator light in the gadget is flashing, then it is working properly. Generally, the screen will be in a blackout state. It will also ask you to answer a question. Please read thoroughly and let the upload take place. Should you encounter errors during this step, verify that the necessary USB drivers are properly installed on your system. If there is an error of not being able to detect the HMI USB, ensure drivers are installed correctly. Download the provided driver file, navigate to Device Manager, select Go to Action, then add driver and browse to the driver location. Once installed, reconnect the HMI to confirm the COM port detection. If you need to enter boot mode manually without the hardware tool, start by connecting the HMI's COM3 port to a USB to RS-232 converter. Use the following wiring configuration: pin 8 TX to RX, pin 7 RX to TX, and pin 5 GND to GND. Next, open a serial terminal and configure it to a baud rate of 115,208 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. Continuously send the command boot me in uppercase at 20 millisecond intervals. Power on the HMI while sending this command. A black screen confirms successful entry into boot mode. If challenges persist, our technical support team is available to assist. After flashing the firmware, the HMI may display no auth. This is normal. Simply download your project file to finalize the setup. Thank you for following along. With these steps complete, your HMI should now be updated and operational. For further guidance, don't hesitate to contact our technical support team. Stay tuned for more tutorials and happy configuring.